Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a video on these lash extensions. So these, I picked them up at the Dollar General and I believe they were like $2.50 or $2.75, and I'm gonna attempt to try them out and see if I can do lash extensions on myself with this product. So it does come with like the little glue. So it has the glue here, and then it has all the little lash clusters. So I'm gonna be demonstrating how to apply lash extensions. I have done lash extensions on myself before, but using the Ardell lashes, and it's been a while. So I'm pretty excited to do this for you guys. Let's see if these are gonna be good for like if you're on a budget trying to save some money, because I know that lash extensions can be kind of pricey. Just a second, I'm gonna pick up the glue. So here's the little glue. It's so tiny, check that out. But anyways, like I was saying, I know that they can be pretty pricey, and I wanted to just give it a go and see if these are gonna work just as good as the Ardell kind that I have. So what I'm gonna start out with is with a pair of tweezers, and then a small mirror, so that way I can get like really up close and personal, so that way you guys can see, or that way I can see what I'm doing and you guys can see what I'm doing and follow along. So I'm gonna start by opening up. Oh, is that like a little brush? Oh, it's like a little wand. So I'm assuming that you just take the lash and point it. Now I think that the best kind of tweezers for this is the ones that are very pointy at the ends. I don't have those, so I'm just gonna use what I have, and hopefully it all works out well. So I'm gonna start out, and just to let you know, these that's way too much. Oh my gosh. Just to let you know, these lashes, they're all one size. They're not different sizes, and they look like medium lashes to me. So I'm gonna start in the center. So what I'm gonna do is put some on like a little cap somewhere. So I'm just gonna put it on this little cap here and put some glue on there, because this is very sticky glue. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it does work out, so that way we can save you guys some money. I don't know if this glue sets fast or not, but when I did my lashes the last time with the Ardell one, the last time I did my eyelash extensions myself, I did them with the Duo glue, the clear one from, well, hello Duo, right? But the brand Duo, they have a clear adhesive, and it's for lash extensions. So that time it worked pretty well, and I think the lash extensions lasted me about a week and a half, I want to say. And all I'm doing is placing them right on the lash, like as close as I can get it as possible, just because you want them to look as natural as possible. So I'm getting really frustrated. I think that it's this glue that's just not sticking very well. So I think what I'm just gonna do is go ahead and get my dual lash glue and see if it'll work better with the dual lash glue, because this glue is not working out at all. It's literally like the lashes keep coming off. Look, I have all them all right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my dual lash glue, and I'm gonna use that glue and see if maybe they stick with that glue. So I'll be right back. So this is what the dual lash glue looks like. It comes in this little bottle. It has a purple label, and the adhesive is also clear. So I'm gonna squeeze some on here, and let's test these lashes out with the dual glue and see if they stick better. And I feel like people use the black glue because it looks it like kind of deepens up the look for the lashes. But I mean, for me, I'll use the clear. I've used it before, and I really do like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear. I remember one time years ago, I keep dropping them. Like, this is really frustrating. I remember one time years ago in beauty college, I got lash extensions because we used to practice. They used to allow us to practice things on each other, or if they needed a model for something, or we needed a model, we would all like try things or whatever. And I got the lash extensions done in school, but the adhesive that they were using, I don't know if I was like allergic to maybe like a chemical in the actual product or whatever. I don't know if it was that, but my eyes got really irritated and red, so I had to go buy an adhesive remover and take them off because my eyes were so red. Like, I remember they were so red, and I was like, oh my gosh, these like itch my eyes. And so I was at home literally trying to remove the lash extensions because I was like, oh my gosh, they like hurt so bad, or my eyes were hurting, burning, or whatever. So I don't know if it was maybe like just an ingredient in the glue that they used, but this one I haven't had any issues with it before, to where my eyes are irritated or anything like that. So the dual one, I do really like it. The only thing is it does dry up fast, so you have to work quickly. And then you just maneuver them like however you want to. If you want them to go in a certain direction, you can do that. I like to kind of just keep them the way the way they naturally like grow out. So if these grow out up, I'll go in that direction, and then these kind of go this way, I'll go this way, and then same thing with the end. So that way they look more natural instead of like looking fake. I'm liking the way that they're turning out. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm loving the way they're turning out. They look really nice. I'm trying to it's getting a little harder when I'm going towards the inner part of the eye. there's like one that keeps coming out crooked right here in the front, and it's annoying me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the inner third of the eye, and then I'm gonna finish this one too off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the results, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back, and this is what the lashes look like. Like, let me zoom you in. Okay, so these are what the lashes look like. I feel like the left eye turned out really, really beautiful. And this one, I feel like the lashes came out kind of like chunky in this area. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like I applied too many because I was trying to layer them, because right here I don't really have like too many lashes. So I feel like I messed up in this area. It was definitely harder applying these. I did these much quicker. So if you're right-handed, start with your left eye. If you're left-handed, start with your right eye. These came out so pretty. Like, they look so natural. They don't look like they're fake or like they're lash extensions. They just look natural. And then these on this side, I feel like they look more bunched up and like false. So I did end up using the dual lash adhesive, because the one that came in the little packet with this set, I don't feel like it's good. This is not really like a good glue, so I would definitely pick up this one instead. And then the lashes, I feel like they worked out pretty well. If you want better quality lashes, I'd go with the Ardell lashes, the lash clusters. They are different. Like, these are singles, and then the ones from Ardell, let me take them out of the box. These I haven't used them in forever, but they're more clustered. So these are a little bit, I feel like, more spread out. If you want a little bit of a better quality lash, then I would go with these clusters from Ardell. These weren't bad, like, at all. Like, I really do like the way that they turned out. Well, at least the left eye, I like the way the left eye turned out. So I still have some left here, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. I'm gonna get the lash adhesive remover and remove them, so that way I can redo them, and that way they can look more like this. I feel like they look more beautiful on this side than they do on this side. And that's it. But as far as this goes, like, I feel like it's definitely worth it. The only thing is you would have to pick up the dual adhesive so they can work out just the way you want them to. I'll keep you guys posted and let you know how long these lashes last me, because the last time I did my lashes, which was with this brand here, they lasted me about a week and a half. So let's see how long these last me, and I will go ahead and update you guys in a future video on how they're working out for me. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.